This is Carnivore Lab Station 3. We're starting with Ailuridae, aka the red panda. And what I want to draw attention to is its tiered teeth. It's kind of hard to see when you're not in person, but there are very much two levels of cusps here. So very different dentition than the majority of carnivores you'd see. Why might that be? And this was a zoo animal, and so you can see it lived a long time and it lost a lot of teeth because of its old age. Okay, next, Mustelidae. These tend to be small, but are often some of the most vicious carnivores. And the first example I'm going to show you is our one and only wolverine. And what you'll notice with mustelids is they tend to be pretty long, and this is actually the least kind of oval shaped of the species of mustelid you'd look at. But their upper last molar is very often, I call it hourglass shaped. And to give you an idea of what some of the smaller mustelids look like, here's an ermine. So you can see just how kind of two-dimensionally they're pretty oval shaped. And again, if you look closely, I don't know if my camera wants to zoom in that far, but you can see that the last molar is kind of going this way and is hourglass shaped. Okay, well, we just looked at the wolverine, so we can only go down from there, right? So why not go all the way down to what we might call colloquially the trash panda, Procyonidae. This is our raccoon. So we have one species here in Michigan. This is the Procyonidae. And I'll open up the skull, but then I want to move on so that you can compare it to the skunk, Mephitidae. So skunks used to be considered part of mustelids, part of the weasel family, but it turns out that they're actually their own family. And we have a single species here in Michigan, Mephitidae. So let's compare raccoon, skunk, raccoon, skunk. And I recommend looking at the last molar and the size or shape of the bullae. So hopefully you're getting a good image of these two. Okay. And that was station 3.